and put the hand on your knee, but again move your real fingers and feel it inside, really pushing into your Dantian, squeezing your Dantian, massaging your Dantian. During this work, you will feel maybe your body moving in small ways or in large ways. And just don't interfere.
Of course, the Tai Chi Chuan is not something that you learn in one workshop and then you believe that you can teach or you can perform. The importance of the group is essential in the Tai Chi Chuan. It's the energy of the group that supports everybody. And this exchange of energy, exchange of the work that we are doing between ourselves is what is carrying the chi for everybody. So it's a very demanding work, and like the yoga, I mean, you have to dedicate until it's not becoming part of your life. Well, then it's simply some exercises that are good for the body, but are not the work that we are looking for. We are looking for to develop ourselves, to develop our energy, and to understand how to use it, not only for the Tai Chi, but for the daily life. We are looking for to develop ourselves, to develop our energy, and to understand how to use it. In Tai Chi, you learn that it is your center and your breathing that create the movement. Tai Chi Chuan means the great energy. One of the translation is the great energy in movement. So what we are doing is to create the energy that create the movement. So what you are seeing, it's simply the reflect, it's simply the expression of the movement of the center and the energy. So all the rest will slowly take place, and that's it.